Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Blackberry Torch 9860, and in this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Blackberry Torch 9860 and upcoming price of Blackberry Torch 9860 and also expected price of Blackberry Torch 9860 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get started the video. So guys, now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Blackberry Torch 9860. Here we have network in quantity of technology, GSM by HSPA. Here we have in launch of announced 2011 August 2011 September and status will be discontinued. Here we have in body of dimension 120 into 62 into 11.5 millimeter, 4.72 into 2.44 into 0.45 in, and weight 139 gram and 4.76 oz. SIM, mini SIM and optical trackpad. Here we have in display of type TFT and size 3.7 inches, 39.0 centimeter scale, 42.4% screen to body ratio. Resolution 480 into 800 pixel, 5:3 ratio. 252 ppi density. Here we have in platform of OS Blackberry OS 7 and CPU 1.2 GHz QC 8655. Here we have in memory of card slot, micro SD card dedicated slot, and internal storage 4 GB and 768 MB RAM. And here we have in main camera single 5 megapixel AF, features LED flash, video 720 pixel. Here we have in selfie of camera, no selfie camera available. And here we have in sound of loudspeaker, yes loudspeaker available, and 3.5 millimeter jack speaker, yes also available. Here we have in comms of WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, B/G/N, Bluetooth 2.1 A2 DP, positioning GPS plus GPS, and radio, no FM radio available, and USB micro USB 2.0. And here we have in features of sensor, accelerometer, proximity, compass, browser HTML5, and social feeds, Blackberry Maps, document viewer, MP3 slash WMA slash WAV slash EAAC plus slash Blackplayer, and DIVX slash XVID, MP4 slash WMV slash H.265 player, organizer, voice memo by dial. Here we have in battery of type removable Li-ion 1230 mAh battery, standby 330 hour and up to 330 hour, and talk time up to 4 hour 40 minutes and 6 hour 50 minutes, and music play up to 44 hour. Here we have in music of color black, and here we have in price about 130 EUR. So I hope you can like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further notification of my video, and thanks for watching.